city. We love it so much. It's a bit touristic, but it's made in a really good way, so it's really like peaceful, calm.
So now we are about to try this food that looks amazing.
Yeah?
I mean, look at this.
Okay, we will try.
We'll try.
I'm not sure if it's spicy or not.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry. It looks amazing. All the vegetables are grown in this place. They are growing all the different teas, all the different vegetables. We lost her. Luang Prabang is really nice. I mean, there is nothing like this in all Laos. I mean, the other places were really nice as well, but here
not in this.
not in this way.
Definitely one of the best places we have visited so far. This one is so good.
Oh, yeah. So, it's now time for me to eat because I am starving. We lost her again. So, see you soon.
Hi, I'm Giorgio.
Hi, I'm Mariam.
Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it,
Press thumb up.
thumb up and remember to subscribe our channel. See you in the next adventure.
Bye bye.
Bye!